What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied. We got us some extra batteries for the Ryobi, you guys. I don't feature the Ryobi too much on the channel. If you're not into buying Ryobi batteries, which is a little bit more costly, you guys, you have to pay the cost to be the boss, right? So right here, it don't seem like too much of a difference, you guys. It seems like the same battery. All right. Side by side comparison. All right. So 18 volts. All right. 5.5 amps. This is 4 amps. Can you see the battery indicator? I mean, they mimicked it just right there with the Ryobi. Okay, so that's 3. We fully charged. I'm gonna do a little fun test on this, you guys. So let me fully charge this, and then I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna make sure they both are fully charged, and we're gonna do a fun little test just to have some fun with it, see how long it lasts, and yeah. So stay tuned. All right, you guys. So we have the new battery here, which is, basically off-brand, but we have it hooked up to the Ryobi charger, fully charged, as you can see. And we have the original Ryobi right there. And we are going to do a little test, a little fun test, you guys. Just a little fun test. Don't take it too serious, all right? Don't be too serious with it. We're just going to do a fun test and get it over with. So let me go ahead. I'm going to take this battery out. I'm going to take this battery out. All right, so this is 4 amps right here. This is 5.5 amps. So we don't have a 5 amp regular Ryobi. We just have a regular 4 amp Ryobi, and then the 5.5 amp new brand that we got from Amazon that is Ryobi compatible. And what we're going to do is just do a little quick test just to see how long. Let's say leave it on for like 5 minutes or whatnot. All right. Now I'm not going to hold it, so I'm going to do a little test so y'all can actually see. I never conducted a test like this before. Should be fun. Again, don't take it too serious. Right here we have full battery. This is on the regular Ryobi, and this is third party. That's what I call it, third party. All right, now what we're going to do is do a little test. All right, you guys, so in this little race that I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it on for like 10 minutes, but not too high. Let's see, I got it on 2. Now, don't take this literal. I'm just doing a quick test to see how it dies. I'm not sure if this uses more than this as far as power goes, but we're just going to test it out. Unfortunately, I don't have 2 Ryobi drills that's the same. So, all right. Little quick test, you guys. Zip tie both. Just having fun. All right, I'm gonna let that go for a little bit. I have my clock on the wall doing the stopwatch right there. Again, nice little fun test we're doing. If I had 2 of the same drills, this would be a perfect test. And also one is 5.5 amp, one is 4 amp. All right, you guys, so it has been 10 minutes and 52 seconds on the dot right now, and I have to say that it is still going strong. But the main thing we want to test out is the battery. So right now I got both on. Ryobi still at 4. And This brand is still at 4. 10 minutes. Still going strong, you guys. That's constantly on. All right, you guys, 15 minutes has went by. And I have these on low speed, so we're still at full charge. Let's ramp it up a little bit. All right, you guys, 20 minutes has went by and we're still good with the regular Ryobi, and we're still good with the off-brand Ryobi. And I have to say that it's not hot at all. This has been running straight. Same thing, not hot. So this is good, you guys. I'm going to go ahead, call it a review. So let me go ahead, take these off right now. One. Uh-oh. There we go. All right, you guys. That was a little fun review that I was doing. And again, the actual Ryobi brand, still fully charged. Amazing. So you won't be using this like crazy, like how I just had it on, but we're just testing the longevity of this battery right here, and it's still fully charged after 20 minutes. All right, so you basically can use this for a very long time. So that was 20 minutes straight. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.